Our Chicago is the labor management cooperation between the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, Local 134, and the Electrical Contractors Association of the City of Chicago and Cook County, where they consistently invest in better construction, better careers, and better communities. But one of Power in Chicago's main initiative is better communities. That pillar is something that we stand on and we're very proud of. And partnering with the Chicago Blackhawks and their commitment to communities was one of the really deciding factors in making sure that we develop this partnership and we go forward.
Our goal is to train 300 young people a year starting next year. In order to do that, we need to have the facilities to make it happen. We need to have a warm and accepting space. We need to have the lights on, and the support that we've gotten has helped make that possible. Before we moved into this space, we were building out gyms in hallways and classrooms in schools on the west side of Chicago. And we got with the Reeve and David Logan Foundation. They said, we can do better than this. We got a 10,000 square foot church. It was built out as a functional church. So we had pews and an altar and religious relics all over the place. And we went about the work of converting this space into a gym.
Now we have 50 kids enrolled in the program currently. We've worked with up to 150 kids this school year. We will be working with 300 coming up this next school year and hopefully extending that to many more once we start to get back into school buildings again. As the director of operations, I'm constantly calling an electrician or calling somebody else to come fix these little problems that are happening. You know, microwaves not functioning in the student snack area, in the staff lounge, a vacuum will blow a fuse, all sorts of things constantly happening, multiple rooms without lights. And so we had the Blackhawks and Power in Chicago come together to come and fix our electricity all in one big project, which is just so incredible for us.
What's great about Super Electric here is that they've been in the community for over 70 years, I believe. And again, they know and understand some of the difficulties that this particular community face. And so when we were looking for a partner, it wasn't as though we were, prodding or asking people who didn't want to get involved. Super Electric jumped to the forefront. They wanted to make sure that they continued their efforts to helping out the community, and finding out that we partnered with an organization that was right in their backyard was something that they really was excited to take part in. They've consistently helped out individuals in the community. They know some of the specific difficulties that this community face, and knowing that the great work that the Bloc does, they were more than willing to come up and say, you know what, we're first in line to make sure that we help out this community and this organization.
My grandfather founded the company in 1936, and we moved to the west side of Chicago in about 1955. So we've been in this neighborhood doing mostly commercial and industrial, the occasional residential. Super Electric, being in this neighborhood, a lot of people want to become an electrician, and we get a lot of knocks on our doors saying, how do I become an electrician? And doing something for our community is a lot more fun than going off to somebody else and fixing someone else's community.
We just finished another year of 100% high school graduation. We are driving the highest attendance that we've ever driven. I think a lot of that goes to the fact that we have a space right here that's built specifically for our kids.
Just having somebody to fund our electricity allows us to take the money that we would have been putting into those projects and put it back into our programming actually, and focus on things that are specifically student related. And so that frees up a lot of money for us to do those different opportunities and to actually, buy kids snacks, pay for vans and transportation and boxing equipment and all of those other things that are just essential for our program. And to have the working building and have that taken off of our plates as an expense is huge.
I've been gone for a while because my son was recently born, and I checked back in just to see how things were going. I was just coming to pick up some things, and just the transformation that the space has gone through in the time that I've been out is incredible. Like I have an office with a light now. That's no small deal. I didn't realize how much the seeming little things would add up to really transform the way a space feels, the use of a space, and how much we're going to be able to do here.